beautiful. This super awesome chair we do DIY the simple way.
I'm Lizzie. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Rosie.
Today's DIY project is snow globe ornaments. The items you will need are a clear plastic ornament, some clear glue, water, and a hot glue gun. Optional things to put into your snow globe is we have some foam balls, 3 different colors, and we also have some gems. Let's get started! How we will do this is take your ornament, open it up. We got all of our supplies from the dollar store except for, of course, the glue gun. Put your glue in about a 4th way. So I'll share with Lizzie. Next, you add your water. You also have to add a little bit more glue on top.
Lizzie.
You will add your color flown beads.
What
or
color do you guys
sparkle. I want to do green and red for Christmas.
I'll do green and red too then. I'll do just red. I'll just do the not organized.
The rainbow.
Rainbow. Sticking to the very top.
Now it's time to add our gems.
I'll take those little bit of mine.
Okay, next,
No,
you're going to take your cap.
No, that's what
Rosie's still going to add it. So you're going to take your cap, and so you got to plug in your glue gun, and you're just going to go like this. Okay?
Around the edges. Our ornaments look so cool, and I hope yours does too. That little space in your tree, I hope it opens up big ideas. If you're subscribed, and if we get 20 subscribers, we'll start doing some challenges.
Hit the notification button below, and give it a big thumbs up.